Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can create WhatsApp group. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to your recent chats. Here, tap on the plus icon at top right corner of your screen and your contact list will appear. Now, tap on the New Group button at the top, and you will be prompted to select the members of your group. Once you have selected all of the members, tap on the next button at the top right corner and then name the group. After naming it, upload a profile picture from your device or just use an emoji. Once you are done, tap on the Create Embed and your group will be created. So that's basically how you can create WhatsApp group. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.